So I'm going to be cooking these chicken thighs, bone-in chicken thighs, smoking on my charcoal smoker outside, these chicken breasts, and I'm going for the honey barbecue flavor. So I'm going to put this honey hog barbecue sauce that my son got me. I'm going to pour a bunch of this on the bottom first. Do the same on the top. I'll let this sit at least for 30 minutes before I put it on the grill. I'm going to slow smoke it with some applewood chips and finish it off with a honey mustard sauce. So for my barbecue sauce, I just heated up some really nice honey. I will add in some mustard, some more of this seasoning because I like them to be cohesive, and I'll put in some dried parsley. I like the way it adds texture to the sauce, and then some chopped up jalapenos. You put this on right at the end with a few more wood chips so the smoke lays down on top of the sticky sauce. My grill is really hot and nice and clean. I spread out the coal so that it'll bring down the temperature a little bit, and I put a chunk of wood in 3 places, and now I'm going to start the chicken while it's really hot. I'm going to cook this about an hour and 15. You want to start with the skin side down, so on the 4th turn I end up with the skin side up, and then that's when I sauce it. I let it crisp up the skin a little bit before I put the lid down, slow down the flames, but I want to get a good crisp start. So we're smoking this chicken, we're not grilling this chicken, so I want to put the lid on it, cut down the flames, and increase the smoke. This is cooking a lot faster than I thought it would, and this skin initially stuck to the grill, so I had to gently turn it over, and I'm not going to turn it over again. I moved it out to the side, slowed down the temperature and the flames a bit, and I'm indirect cooking, gonna leave it there for another 15 minutes and then sauce it for another 15 minutes with a total combined of 45 minutes, and these things should be really good. We shall sauce the bird. Try that skin out, fresh off the grill. Oh my gosh, that's good. That's what it looks like at finish time. One missing the skin. Wonder where that went. When you nail it on smoking a piece of chicken, it takes on a different texture, a different flavor. It becomes like a candied piece of chicken. Kind of like when you smoke a piece of fish. It just transforms the chicken into something different than your usual baked chicken, fried chicken, and everything. And that ultimately is what I'm going for. This is the piece that I ate the skin off while it was on the grill. My wife has made some wonderful macaroni salad that pairs with it, and I have a little bit of sauce for the dipping. This isn't the formal plate sitting, but I'm the king's taster, and the king's taster gets to eat the food first to make sure there's no poison. Oh, still tender and juicy. I'm getting not only the mustard flavor from the mustard, but from the rub that penetrated deep inside the meat with a nice smoky flavor. But this is a perfect chicken, and this is exactly what I was going for. Thanks, Josh, for the seasoning. And thanks, Leanne, for this wonderful macaroni salad. It goes perfect with this chicken.
I know what I'm doing.